To turn off or disable call forwarding on your OnePlus 15, simply go to the phone app. And on the phone app, you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Under settings, tap on operator related settings and then go to call forwarding and then choose the SIM card you want to disable call forwarding for if you have a dual SIM setup. So I'm going to choose that one. So it's currently checking for the current call forwarding situation or settings. And it's checking with my carrier, so that's why it's taking a while to check. So you can see I have my call forwarding enabled when I'm unreachable, and it's forwarding to this number right here. So what you need to do is simply turn that off, and it's going to update. If you have any other call forwarding setting, you can turn it off as well. So that is basically how to disable call forwarding on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.